Curlsqueen, I need you to come to the front. I need you to come to the front. What's up, you guys? Long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony Rosa, aka the Queen of Disappearing, but we'll get into that later. Today we are going to be doing a quick weave featuring Curlsqueen. We have their two kinky straight bundles, of course, to match my little bob. They are still a little damp, but as you guys can see, for it to be like 70% dry, this matches my texture pretty well. Now, although there are only two bundles, which makes me a little bit iffy, they do feel really full at the weft, so we'll just see how that goes. We're gonna go ahead and do my quick weave foundation. This is not the way I normally do it, but I am feeling super lazy today. We're just gonna do it the quick way. Yeah, so I'm gonna part out what I'm taking out from the front. I'm gonna do minimal leave out. I don't want to take out too much. All right, we got this all braided and out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and tackle these two sections right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do two braids going back, and then I'm gonna throw on the stocking cap. I'm gonna be using a black strip to do a protective quick weave. I do put glue on my hair, y'all. It's not that hard to come off. It will come off as long as you're not literally trying to rip it out on dry hair. I add just a little bit of glue to the end of the wrap strip. Then you're gonna stick it right on your scalp. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Of course, cut it. We are now going to apply our sheer stocking cap. We're going to give this a quick blow dry and then we'll get started. I think I'm going to do like a bang moment, not like a super heavy bang, but something in my face. When you do that kind of style, you do have to curve your tracks to lay that way. So this is the first bundle. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to be able to fit both. I'm actually really happy about that. I was getting nervous and I started to spread the tracks out, but I think that this last bundle will be more than enough to cover what's going on up here. We are still looking good. This is how much we have left, and this is how much we have left right here too. I literally still have hair left, and this quick weave is fuller than a quick weave I've had with 3+ bundles. I like the C part. For our heat protector today, I'm going to be using Curlsqueen's Thermal Wonder. And my flat iron is on 250. I'm using the Babyliss Nano Titanium iron. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the other side. Really get those roots, because that's what puffs up first, for me at least. I'm trying to get a little bit closer over here. Y'all pray for me. I need everything to be in place. Even if it comes with a little burn. Then we're gonna take Kenra's Fast Dry Hairspray. I cannot even tell me where the hair stops and where my hair starts. And then to finish her off, we're gonna go in with the pink glosser on the hands. Perfect. These are the products I'm using to slick my edges. Alright guys, here is the dramatic baby hairs. I think she's very fitting for this look. All that's left to do is just layer and curl. I am going to have to do that off camera, unfortunately, because my camera's overheating. So I will come back once my hair is all pinned up and we can take them down together. This is very classy, like very, very fitting. Alright you guys, this is the finished look, and as you can tell, I'm actually upset. The kinky straight texture honestly matches my hair so well. Honestly, I feel like if you were all the way over there, honestly I feel like right here, you can't tell me this is not my real hair. Like I'm not going for that. Even after dyeing these bundles jet black, I feel like the hair is still super silky. Like I said, it's holding a curl so well because I done played in this hair, flipped it, took pictures. Like it's giving what it needs to give. Especially with it being 2 bundles, y'all. I cannot get over the fact that this is only 2 bundles. And so y'all see how luscious and voluminous this hair is? Curlsqueen, I gotta give you your sands, boo. You ate. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, including the length, texture, and the link. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you to Curlsqueen for sending me this bomb hair. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. AKA the queen of disappearing, but we'll get into that later. Surprise! Yes, I'm gonna be a mommy. Bye. Of course, I met. Look, come here. Come here. These are so tea. Stop them! Y'all, please don't mind that brain fart. What? Okay, so now that, babe, hold it.